College na tayo. Yun lang. I love you, ha? Happy birthday! Dati, ito tayo. May iniiyak mo, sakit ng ulo. May secret. Alam ko naman, alam mo yung mga limitations mo. Alam ko magiging successful ka. Ganda mo ba? Ano mo, yung pangarap mo, magtanda, yung pinasonto mo. Kaya yun. Tsaka yung mga pangarap natin na ano, basta yun. So yun, tsaka yun, wish ko maging successful ka. Ayun lang. Sige, happy birthday! Okay, now, Sarah! Wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng dreams mo, makamit mo. Huwag may problems ka, may kaya saka kaya ka. Ayun. Sana lang sa akin ko lang sa birthday. Sita, happy birthday. Okay, now, Montana! Oy, Chami, happy birthday! Ay, yun nga, happy 18th birthday! Oy, yun namin ni Brisa! Ay, namatay! Ano, dahil nasa ko, wish ko yung mga ni-wish nilang lahat, saka mga ni-wish mo matupad. Tsaka yun, pati yung mga kalandiang pa, ano ba to? Pati magkakotoo yung wish ko. Ay, ayun nga. Sana yung mga kalandi ang pangarap natin, matupad, diba? Sige. Thank you. Love you. Wait na. Ayan.
You brighten everyone's day whenever you smile. Your twin dimples surely be everyone's desire. With a pretty face you have right now, a sexy body you were given from up above. May you continue to share your blessings and beauty tips to everybody. Together with love and vigor, together with cry and suffer. We're always at your back. Every time you see you openly cry for a reason, but will be smile afterwards.
Well, as you are 19, you are almost at the end of being a teen. But as you grow older, don't be sad because there are so many good things ahead and not the ones gone. While you're at the legal age of entering our world, I and you can already choose and ask for ours. Keep in mind that we are always here. The wannabes are here to cheer. If you want for your future, forget the past. If you want to get with him, better make it last.
Having you as our friend will surely be treasured until the end. There are so many names like you, but the name Shami spelled as Chamie will only be you. There is only one Shami and that is you. You pray to the Lord that He may guide you to the right path and lead you to the right direction. Once again, we greet you a happy 18th birthday, our dear friend. Take care and we love you, Charisse, Denil, and Abelia. Always remember, friends forever until the end.
Mommy and Jackie, kasi bakit mo na lang ang friend mo?
Sa mga friends, close friends, and very close friends, Charlie. Thank you sa inyo. Alam nyo, very, talaga, yung grupo nyo, since elementary hanggang ngayon, napansin ko very, very close. Kaya sana, kahit after na mag-debut, at next naman, graduation, o wedding, binyan, ayun pa din ang mga makikita na yung faces. So, sana maging masaya din kayo at saka be responsible, be more mature, Jamie. So, I'm giving you freedom, pero syempre, hindi ko sinasabing negative na. Pero, happy birthday. I love you, Jamie. Thank you sa mga friends. Thank you sa inyo.
Sa inyo lahat, sa nang mga pumunta. Sobrang thank you, masaya talaga ako ngayon. Tapos sobrang mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Ayun, thank you. Tapos thank you, Mama. Tapos thank you din, thank you sa Bangdoyes. Tapos basta thank you talaga sa all of effort. Kahit na yung iba pinilit ko na kumanta, mga ganyan. Oh, yun, thank you. Tapos basta ingat lagi. Tapos sana, tayo pa rin, kahit doon na tayo, gano'n. Tapos, thank you pala din ng Robert, thank you talaga, I love you. Tapos kaya Tito Joey, kaya Kuya Aaron, kahit na may ulo mo dyan, tapos, Ate Serena, sobrang, nung bata pa ako pa nagpapaluto ng pagkain sa bahay nila, nakakapit bahay na ka lang. Sa mga teammates ko, love me, sobra, sana talaga maging close na tayo talaga. Tapos,
Mga nakalimutan mo ako.